An old man, concerned about his wife's hearing, seeks advice from his doctor. The doctor, wise and experienced, suggests a simple test. When your wife is in the kitchen, he advises, stand 15 feet behind her and ask a question. If she doesn't respond, keep moving closer until she does. The man, eager to try this test, finds his wife in the kitchen that evening. From 15 feet away he asks, "What's for dinner, honey?" Silence. Undeterred, he moves to 10 feet, then 5 feet, each time repeating his question. Still no response. Finally, he stands directly behind her, asking once more, "Honey, what's for supper?" His wife, without missing a beat, replies, "For the fourth time, I said chicken." Remember, sometimes the problem isn't where we think it is.